I used to love this town and this neighborhood. The streets were safe. The schools were good. The mill was humming 24/7. I was foreman on the line 3 to 11. But 18 months and 2 days ago, the mill closed down and moved to Mexico. I paid my bill, I paid my dues, and I paid my share of taxes too. Now I can't buy my baby shoes. I got these red, white, and pink slip blues. I hide the pickup truck in Ricky Brown's garage.
Over on the next block,
'Cause there's a repo man to dodge. I slip out the back door. Lord, I never thought I'd live to see this day. We're gonna need that truck when they come to take the house away. I paid my bill, I paid my dues, I paid my share of taxes too. Now I can't even buy my little baby shoes. I got these red, white, and damn pink slip blues. You know I love my country, and I'm not one to complain. But there's a lot of us that feel like we've been left stranded here, out in the rain. I paid my bill, I paid my dues, I paid my share of taxes too. Now I can't buy my kids no shoes. I got these red, white, pink slip blues. If anybody